Hello, remote workers. Welcome back to the channel. It's the thing with worldwide opportunity. Yes, as you can see on your screen, you can see we have simplyhide.com and we will be looking for data entry jobs, work from anywhere. Yes, you can get these kind of jobs where you can work from anywhere, any continent, any country. As long as you do your work, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, let's get started. What you're gonna do, go to your Google browser, write simplyhide.com, and then here write data entry, and then write remote. You will click search, and then you will see so many jobs posted today. For example, this is data entry check, US based. Yes, remote. If it is US based remote only, they will tell you, okay, this is for people from the US. Yes, we have this Spark AI. This is the company is recruiting temporary, and they have this pay $15 per hour. This is data entry specialist US based. So let's see the requirements. If you are comfortable in high volume, quick response time environment, hyper focus on the details, interested in emerging technology, able to learn, adaptable on the fly, skills at learning new concepts quickly, you can apply. All right, you can apply through this link. Yes, you can copy this and then go ahead and copy this link on your Google browse and then start your application. All right, so that is one job. You can read all the description and everything of your CV, your cover letter, and everything related to this job. All right, so let's move on. Of course, if you go here down, they say it's 100% remote opportunity. Again, the company name is Spark AI. Data entry check is the job. Alright, so you can see they have other jobs here on simplyhire.com. They have, for example, this data entry operator. It's remote. This job was posted 1 day ago and they pay up to $26 per hour. So the good thing of these data entry jobs is that you can work at any time, even if you have maybe your other job, your full-time job, but you can still do this. You can even focus to do this job in the weekends. As long as you fulfill your task, that's okay. You will apply to this job as well. So let me show you the requirement. High school diploma is required. Ability to type with speed and accuracy. Knowledge of simple data processing applications such as Microsoft Word, of course, even Excel. All right, so those are the main requirement to this job. This is the company name. Virtual healthcare is fully remote. All right, and this is part-time job. All right. Then move on to another company which is hiring to work from anywhere, fully remote, and data entry. Let's see this. TSO Life is a company as well which is hiring to work from anywhere. You can do this data entry or editor from this company, and they are paying $12.5 per hour. The benefits is flexible job. Of course, if you know Spanish, that's okay. If you have 5 years, intake, English, data entry. Let me go to detailed requirements. Perfect English grammar, exception, attention to details, ability to focus and perform with time based. Okay, excellent in problem solving things, experience English. At least if you know English or you have been working in a job you use English every single day within 5 years, you can go ahead and apply. Data entry, 1 year of experience is preferred. Spanish, if you know Spanish, is preferred, but it is not must. You can see the location is remote. Again, the company is tsolife.com. Yes, TSO Life is hiring data entry check. Yes, let's move on to other jobs. Of course, you too can filter jobs on this simplyhard.com. and see if you can find job that you are looking for. If you see this data entry job from this company, First Source Healthcare, all right, and the date is October 13th. This job was posted. Full description of this job is remote, only in the US. Yes, this is the ID, the job ID. Yes, you can see, let's see the requirement for this job. It looks like they haven't specified for their requirement, but guys, you can go ahead and apply. Data entry jobs is kind of simple task you can get. Is if you know how to use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, all those are the main things you will be using. Of course, English are the main language that you will be using. Okay, let's see another company. So they have so many jobs on this platform. Data entry order to cash specialist from this company. If you go here, this is data entry to cash specialist remote. Here there is qualification, 3 years of experience in customer service and working in fast-paced environment, preferred experience in accounting, finance, or other related field, excellent writing or verbal communication skills, strong proficiency in Microsoft Office with focus on Excel, and they have this payment up to $20 per hour. Those are the details of the job, and this job was posted 4 days ago. So if you are looking maybe the updated jobs, you can even filter jobs in 24 hours by clicking here. You can see click here 24 hours and start scrolling and find the jobs. For example, this is customer service agent, call center. It's fully remote. This is data entry specialist from this company, Rutland Printing CO, okay, incorporation. It's fully remote as well. They are paying 21 up to $27 per hour. This is another position they have. We have seen this bookkeeper. Yes, we have this. You can see bookkeeper, health accounting bookkeeper, $16 per hour. Data entry associate. We have seen this job as well. Okay, let's see. River Construction Incorporate, you can be paid $23 per hour. Of course, this is not high pay jobs. The good thing of this job, we can work from anywhere at any time. So if you can work at anywhere at any time, it means you can combine your full-time job with these data entry jobs. Okay, junior speaker, okay, customer service representative, data entry check, work at home from this company. So go to your Google browse and type this company, Reeves Construction Incorporated. You will see the jobs they are paying $23 per hour, or click here. Okay, this job was posted 18 hours ago. Yes, if you quickly apply through here, that's okay as well. So as long as you apply the job, you can copy this name and of course read more about the company, know about the company before you apply the job. Okay, guys, there is so many jobs, data entry jobs on this platform, simplyhide.com. Please go ahead and visit simplyhide.com. You might find jobs that you are might interested in with. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope to see you in the next video. Please share my video, share with your loved ones, with your friends, your siblings, those who are looking for part-time jobs, work from anywhere worldwide. I have jobs worldwide. I have posted a last video about companies that are recruiting worldwide. Make sure you visit that video. Make sure you visit the channel to watch so many videos about jobs, work from home jobs from anywhere. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.